Mani Padme Hum, Mani Padme Hum.
Nepal is a spectacularly beautiful country in the world that is best known for its magnificent panoramic mountain views. Though Nepal is a small country, it has the great variety of beautiful and wonderful scenery. It is covered with snow-white Himalayan mountains and full of awe-inspiring scenery. One may describe Nepal in their own terms, but all definitions sum up to one word: beautiful. The capital city, Kathmandu, is an ancient cultural city full of time-worn temples. It has the long history and many historical and cultural heritages. This city is also known as the city of God and Goddess. But today, this city comes under the most polluted city of Asia. Pollution is the introduction of contaminants into the natural environment that causes adverse change. Major forms of pollution include air pollution, light pollution, littering, noise pollution, plastic pollution, soil contamination, and water pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution occurs when harmful or excessive quantities of substances including gases, particles, and biological molecules are introduced into Earth's atmosphere. It may cause harm to other living organisms such as animals and food crops, and may damage the natural or built environment. Both human activity and natural process can generate air pollution. Nepal's performance seems to be worst when it comes to protecting environment and combating air pollution. Nepal is among the bottom 5 countries on the Environmental Performance Index 2018. Nepal's air quality was recently reported as the worst in the South Asia region. Air pollution in Nepal, particularly in the Kathmandu Valley, has emerged as a serious environmental health risk. Rapid urbanization, unplanned development activities, ongoing road widening drive, and construction works for the Melamchi water supply project, an increasing number of vehicles have contributed in making Kathmandu one of the most polluted cities in the world. As a signatory to the Sustainable Development Goals, which includes several ambitious targets to reduce air pollution-related death by 2030, Nepal needs to step up efforts to combat air pollution. Water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies, usually as a result of human activities. Water pollution results when contaminants are introduced into the natural environment. For example, releasing inadequately treated wastewater into natural water bodies can lead to degradation of aquatic ecosystem. In turn, this can lead to public health problems for people living downstream. Water pollution is the leading worldwide cause of death and disease. We are glad to say that Nepal is the second richest country in the water resources, but again, sad to say that we are the most sufferer in water pollution. Water quality in Kathmandu Valley is not good enough to sustain healthy water ecosystem. Instead of sustaining life, they have become the carrier of diseases and pollution. Bad quality of river water has even caused frequent cases of waterborne diseases such as diarrhea, dysentery, and skin diseases among people living in riverside areas. It has also reduced the religious, recreational, and aesthetic values of rivers. Soil pollution. Soil contamination or soil pollution as a part of land degradation is caused by industrial activity, agricultural, chemical, or improper disposal of waste. The most common chemicals involved are petroleum hydrocarbons, polynuclear aromatic hydrocarbons, solvents, pesticides, lead, and other heavy metals. The concern over soil contamination stems primarily from health risks from direct contact with the contaminated soil. Nepal is a mountainous country having 7 distinct physiographic provinces: ranging from south to north. Due to distinct altitudinal, topographical, climatic, and vegetational characteristics, the soil of Nepal are highly variable. The soil fertility loss is the main problem in the country, particularly on the hill tracts due to improper soil management. In addition, population growth, industrialization, and unsustainable urbanization are leading to the accumulation of heavy metals in soil. The high concentration of heavy metals in soil produces negative impacts on the both environment and human health. Removal of contaminants or pollutants from the soil is necessary for maintaining quality and fertility.